Okay guys, for this video I would like to share how to connect Esp8266 module with Arduino Uno. So what we just need is Esp8266 module, Arduino Uno, and one breadboard. So the connection is very simple. Just follow what I draw on this paper here. So be careful that Esp8266 is work on only 3.3 volt. So this is why they just write on the 3.3 volt. So you cannot connect the power 3.3 volt to 5 volt. So you must connect 3.3 volt to the 3.3 of the Arduino Uno. So at first we're going to connect 3.3 is here. So this 3.3 is for this side, this pin. So all this side of the written is for this side of the pin, and the right side is for the right side of the pin. So from 3.3 we connect 3.3. We're going to use the breadboard here for the 3.3 purpose, and another pin we're going to connect to 3.3 as well. So another pin is here, 3.3 we connect together on the same row here, and from there, from this this two is 3.3 from Esp8266 and EN connect to 3.3 of Arduino Uno. So be careful that you correctly connect to 3.3 done. So the transmit pin will connect to digital pin number 2 of Arduino Uno. So the receive pin is connect to digital pin number 3. So receive pin connect to digital pin number 3, and IO0, IO2 is within use, so no use, no connect. And the ground pin connect to the ground. So the ground pin is here, ground connect to the ground. So the connection is complete. Just be careful you connect correctly to Esp8266 to Arduino. Now we're going to upload the code. So we open Arduino IDE, and this is the code that you will upload. So from here, your Wi-Fi name you must change, and that side is the password. 9999000 is my password. You must change this Wi-Fi name and your password. After that, you just go to the tools and select your Arduino Uno board and select to the box. And after this, you just upload. So once done upload, and you go to the serial monitor, and here the baud rate you must change to 115200. And from here, both NL and CR, you need to select this one, and you will see the Wi-Fi is connected. So at first, if your Wi-Fi connection is good, then you will see in the display connecting to the Wi-Fi. Then here you will connect Wi-Fi. So here we get a Wi-Fi connected, which means your Esp8266 module is in good condition. And now Esp8266 is connected to this Wi-Fi. So this is how to connect Esp8266 Wi-Fi module to Arduino. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.